How to connect your Discord account with your Twitter easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Discord account with Twitter easy. So first thing, go to Discord. This is the homepage as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go down and click here. After you click it, now all what you have to do is search for the connections option right here, and here is it as you can see. Now click on it and it will take you to this page. Now on this page, click on the add option in the top corner. Now right here you will find Twitter as you can see. Click on Twitter and you will be able to connect it easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.